Welcome to another BMC Helix video solutions video. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot HTTP 404 issues when loading Smart IT after upgrading to OpenJDK 15 or 16.0.1. First, I'll show you in Linux and then I'll show you in Windows Server. So let's get to it. So here's the error that you will be seeing. You're obviously going to see a 404 error in the UI. You're going to immediately see a severe error here. Exception sending context initialize event to listener instance of class. And this will be an indication that you have this problem, right? You can see the whole stack here, parent class loader, error creating bit with name, SSO decision filter defining class path. So let's head over to how would we go about fixing the issue. First in Linux, we have to edit out the set environment variable file. So we are here in our Linux terminal. And as you can see, we have you can use VI and then you can modify the set environment.sh file. And this is the file where are going to add a few extra parameters to make the fix work. Remember, because you're in Linux, you have to change mode in VI into the insert mode, and then you have to add a few extra things to the file. So let me show it to you. So this is the parameter that you need to add. Obviously, you don't need to add the word add, but you need to add this parameter here, Java underscore OPTS, and then the variable, and then this line right here. If you have these two parameters here, you need to get rid of those. So let's get rid of those right here. Let's make sure to clean this up. There you go, nice and easy. And let's make sure we delete this and we can bring this a little bit tighter there. And all we have to do now is save the changes and restart the Tomcat in Linux. So let's do that right now. So to restart the system, you can shut it down or you can kill the process ID. You can do ps ef and then pipe grep and then Java, let's say. And then you can identify the Smart IT PID and you can kill that one. Or you can also run the shutdown .sh command and it will bring Tomcat down, and all you have to do is start it up and you should be able to see the login screen. Now let's move on to doing the changes from the Windows Server side of things. And so let me show you that. So for Windows system based environments, we need to open the tomcat w.exe file located in the bin directory, and we need to add the below options under the Java options for Tomcat 8 and Java options 9 in case you are using Tomcat 9. Now, if this looks too small for you in the video, we're going to add this in the video description, and we're going to add the KB URL so that you can visit the URL and you'll see these parameters either for Linux or for Windows. So don't worry about that. Also, if we see the below two parameters, we need to get rid of them from these options as well. So let's go ahead and open the bin directory for Tomcat. So the first thing we have to do, we need to shut down the Tomcat. So let's stop it right now. We need to add these two parameters to the end of the file here, and that should allow OpenJDK 15 and 16 to work fine. And last but not least, we need to get rid of these two. We can delete the space here to make this nice and tight. We need to restart the Tomcat now, apply and restart, and the Smart IT URL should now be accessible. Now, if this looks too small for you, we're going to embed the knowledge article URL in the description of the video to make things easier. So thanks for watching. If you have questions regarding the parameters that we use for Linux and Windows, these are going to be embedded in the knowledge article that we're going to leave you guys in the URL in the video description. So please subscribe to our channel, BMC Remedy and Discovery. See you in the next one.